we're gonna be seeing if I have any chance at restoring my natural hair. Now, I have some premature gray in here. So I have my gloves here and we are going to be coloring my hair. So I'm going to be using the Garnier Olia hair dye. It is 60% made of oil and it has no paraffins, no sulfates, and no silicones, and this is actually a vegan recipe. So first I'm going to take the developer, open that, and add the color to the developer. Then I'm going to go ahead and shake that up. Once I allow that shaken bottle to sit for the side to let the color set in, I'm going to start with my application process. So I started with applicating on my edges and to center of my head because that's where I had most fading in my color. Now I'm going to finger comb my hair, allowing for my curls to clump and for the dye to fully saturate my hair. We're going to let this set for 30 minutes. Then we're going to go ahead and rinse it out and then come back. Okay, so this is the final result after rinsing out the dye and the conditioner. Let me know which product you think I should try next and what is your favorite Garnier Fructis product or hair dye.